The Affordable Care Act, also known as Obamacare, is starting to turn into a 2024 campaign issue for both sides of the aisle.
Erie News Now Washington, D.C. correspondent Brendan Scanlon is joining us live tonight on Capitol Hill. Brendan, to tell us what Democrats and Republicans have to say about this. Good evening.
Hey there, Mike and Eva. Good evening. Well, the GOP frontrunner for 2024 has said that he would seriously consider replacing Obamacare if he were to win a second term. That move has many Democrats around the country now warning that that could leave millions without access to health care.
We need to be making it easier for folks to have access to health care. We need to make sure that more folks are brought into the process to make sure that they can have their situations covered.
Pennsylvania Lieutenant Governor Austin Davis says getting rid of the Affordable Care Act would leave millions in his state without health care.
More than 1.5 million Pennsylvanians have health care coverage that would be put at risk. At least 2.5 million people in Pennsylvania living with pre-existing conditions could lose their health care.
As of this year, roughly 40 million Americans are covered under the Affordable Care Act, the highest total on record. Obamacare has expanded Medicaid eligibility, created a health insurance marketplace, and helped those with pre-existing conditions for the past 13 years. But now, Davis and Democrats around the country are sounding the alarm after 2024 Republican frontrunner, former President Donald Trump, said he would consider replacing it if elected.
If Donald Trump has his way, folks are going to lose their health care insurance. Folks are going to see skyrocketing health care costs, and they're going to see people put at risk. We can't afford that here in Pennsylvania, and we can't afford it in the United States of America.
I don't like government supplied of everything, right? I do like people having that personal choice to do those things.
Republican Congressman Mike Kelly believes there would need to be a clear alternative in place, one that works for his constituents, before there's any repeal of the ACA.
You have to have a clear alternative. Some people have health care that they never had before. I'd rather say, okay, let's look at the features and the benefits. Do they add value for the people that we represent?
Reporting in Washington, Brendan Scanlon, Erie News Now. And Mike and Eva, vocal opponents to the Affordable Care Act or Obamacare, say that it not only limits patient choice through regulations and raises taxes, but that it also interferes in the decisions patients make with their doctor. Reporting live on Capitol Hill, Brendan Scanlon, Erie News Now.